In every part of our life, we experience changes. What are changes exactly?
Wait, I think we're getting a little bit too ahead of ourselves.
This is an atom. It's everywhere around us. These are molecules. These are what you call a group of atoms. But their arrangement isn't always like this. Let's take an example. These are some ice cubes and their current phase is solid. As the solid ice cubes absorb heat, they quickly melt, turning into liquids. This is what you call a change in phase. Now let's look at it at a different perspective. This is the molecular arrangement of an ice cube when it's in its solid form. Now, when you add heat to it, it changes its molecular structure and breaks down, turning into liquids. This is what you also call a physical change.
Now let's have another example. While the egg that is cooked will not change its state, it does change its uncooked chemical composition into the cooked chemical composition. The proteins in the egg will become denatured and change their shape after cooking. Hence, they are chemically altered.
Slicing an apple. It is identified as physical change. Why? Because as we slice through the fruit, it turns into smaller pieces, which is one of the evidences of why it is a physical change. It changed in size. Not only that, its shape also did, from round to mini triangle cylinder-like shapes. That is a physical change. It only changes its appearance, and not the substance.
Crushing of ice. Crushing of ice is considered as a type of physical change because it only changes in shape and size. It also can be reversible. Roasting of marshmallows. Roasting of marshmallows is a type of chemical change. Why? Because the heat causes it to be burned and the sugar in it produces water molecules, which evaporate from the marshmallow, leaving carbon behind, the blackened part of the marshmallow. It also changes in color and it cannot be reversible.
Burning of paper. The change in the paper is chemical change because the paper changes into ashes as it burns and it is a new substance. Also, the chemical composition changes too.
There are many other examples of physical changes and chemical changes in our surroundings, and these are just a selected few of them. This is a presentation of Group 2, and thank you for watching.